In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Steam on PC. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser. This could be whatever web browser you are most comfortable with. For this video, I'm going to be utilizing Google Chrome. But the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and then you want to look up the official Steam website. So just go ahead and look up Steam like so, and then go ahead and press on this first link that appears right over here. It should be store.steampower.com. Once you're over here, all you want to do is you want to go to the top menu and then select on this green button that says install Steam. So go ahead and press on that, and then go ahead and press on this blue button that says install Steam once again, and then it will be right over here, the steam setup.exe. This is the file that we need to run in order to install the Steam. You guys could also find this in your downloads folder, whichever one will work, but I'm just going to be selecting on it right over here, and then my screen will go black for a little bit, but basically it is going to ask you if you want it to allow changes to your device. So go ahead and just select on yes. All right, and once you're done with that, the setup wizard will appear right over here. All you want to do is go ahead and press on next, and then select the language you are most comfortable with. Then go ahead and press on next again. It is going to tell you exactly where in your device it is going to install Steam, and then it's also going to tell you the amount of space that is required. So make sure you have enough space, but once you're done with that, go ahead and press on install. And just like that, you have now finished completing the Steam startup. So go ahead and just press on finish like so, and then it may actually update Steam, if you already had it previously. Once you're done with that, then the Steam application will load in. You guys have the option to log into a Steam account if you already made one previously, or you can go ahead and create one by pressing on this button that says create a free account. Either way, you should be able to get access to Steam. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in real quickly. And once you're done with that, you should now have full access to Steam, and from here you could purchase games and have fun. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.